couple. Fires wide open at the 50-yard line is Kyle Pitts to the 35. Seldom used so far this season. They get him right into the action early.
Yeah, hit this seam right here. Tampa Bay walks up a lot of pressure. A lot of times they short drop out. There he is right there, right between the safety and the corner. Just able to get in. I love this hurry up. It's an attack defense.
32-yard gain to the outside goes Robinson able to turn the corner. And turn what might have been a short loss into a small gain. Second down. And on second down and 7. Good pass. Throw is a little short, but coming back he can't pull it in. It's Darnell Mooney. Third and 7. Pressure coming from the left side. Throws complete. Inside the 20-yard line goes Drake London. Gain of 15. That'll hand this to Robinson. And he goes nowhere.
Love to see him get handling the football here.
Second and 10. Pass is thrown over the middle. It's caught inside the 5. Moving in the end zone. Drake London for the touchdown. 6 seconds. 7 plays. 70 yards and 6 points.
And KJ Britt's an issue in coverage. Sebastian Dennis is out of this game. The starting linebacker. Britt is very good against the run. He's a downhill thumper as a middle linebacker, but in coverage, they attack on that opening drive.
Who for the extra point? First offensive TD in the last 17 drives. This is a returnable kick. Cleared at the 4-yard line by Sean Tucker. And Tucker down the sideline he goes for a nice back to the 5-yard line. They start with a shot of White in the backfield from the 37-yard line. One play action. He steps up, fires, caught at the other side of the 50-yard line. So they start running. Around. And a nice little run here for Rashad White. One of the problems they've had offensively is running the ball. Second and 5. Mayfield fires and nearly picked off Evans. They got it. Third and 5. Mayfield fires over the middle into traffic and then is hauled in. And Evans, forward progress will net him a first down. So Evans come out. Cameron Johnson, a rookie out of Bart, comes in. Toss back here. And White will be shot down after a gain of 1. Evans is still out. And he's second down and 9. And nothing here. So again, that running game, they have a hard time getting anything going. And that's been the case in the last 2 runs here. Now see defensive player. And we were watching the game last week. He had every play.
Yeah, good shots there.
Third and 9. Caught. And blocking out in front as he goes from the tight end. And that's Hott taking it for a first down off the 3rd and 9 inside the 20-yard line. Tackled by J.D. Bertrand. Hott made the game-winning touchdown. The game here with the Washington Falcons last year. Mayfield fires. It's caught inside the 5-yard line. And it's a first down and goal. Pushed it to the second guy.
Yeah, we talked about that in the meeting this morning. It's like he just gets overlooked. I mean, he is as consistent and as durable as you can hope for. Makes the tough catches. In traffic, 14 goes in there. Not concerned at all about taking that hit.
Big toss. Goes back the other way. Wide open. Touchdown. So Evans comes back into the game and scores.
Oh, and the offensive coordinator and play caller taking a page out of an Andy Reid type of call here. Uses the eyes to affect with Bucky Irving and then comes back. Nobody picks him up. You can see Terrell. I think he's man-to-man. They're confused here because of that movement. Half the defense. I don't think they have an answer here early in this game.
Often for the extra point. Yeah, when you can get Mike Evans that open. That's great. What a great deservedly so. This is Gill. Picking off.
The timing is very good so far.
The pick. On the time. Right on the money. Mooney making the grab.
They go heavy. Linebackers are downhill. Both Britt and Alante Davidson one-on-one. That's a mismatch with Mooney's speed. Good job. And again,
Gain of 20. And here is the running back. He goes out of the pattern and takes the pass. Checks it down. Now here cuts it back. Nice run. Gain of 9.
he is a handful for those safeties to come up and tackle.
Great block by McGarry to pave the way. Pass is going to be caught along the sideline. Getting free again is McLeod.
Really nice plan, breaking some tendencies. A lot more throwing here on 1st and 10. Not just play action. That time to drop back and get McLeod there involved. It's 10.5 yards per and utilize the quickness of Bucky Irving, who can accelerate at a very different level. And he is kind of runs with a chip on his shoulder. And Oregon having a good year.
Fake. Protection is good. Going all the way downfield and incomplete. Intended that time for Sterling Shepard. Fired, caught, and just a little short of the first down. The back is White. Good pass catcher. This time the pass is incomplete. Along behind Godwin. Cannot haul it in. Atlanta gets an 11th guy back on the field in a hurry. And from 50,